Hello po, si Iro po ito. So, for this video, gawin po natin ang quick horoscope niyo po for April 7 to 13. At gagamitin natin si with affirmation of the fairy cats. Ayan. So, sa nagbigay po maraming salamat. So, let's start with you, Aris. So, the first, here is the card of Blossom. Well, Aris, ito kasi naman yung time na literal kailangan mo na talaga mamulaklak. Yung point na kailangan mo nang ipakita talaga kung ano yung kaya mong gawin at ano yung dapat mong gawin. Kasi this is a moment para kunin mo na yung spotlight. Ikaw na yung, kailangan din ikaw yung maging bida. Oo, andun yung punto na gusto mong tumulong sa iba para umangat sila. Pero this is also an opportunity para yung sarili mo naman ang iangat mo. For Taurus, meron tayo dito, the mindfulness. So this card is also advising you for this part na literal, be mindful. Yung mga smallest details, pansinin mo. Yung maliliit na bagay, intindihin mo. Yung mga hindi napapansin ng iba, bigyan mo ng pangalawang tingin. Kasi ito yung makakatulong sa'yo para to make sure lahat ng i-deliver mo, lahat ng gagawin mo, will be flawless and properly executed. So next natin, Gemini, winter. Well, literal, minsan kailangan mo magkaroon ng pusong bato. Ito na yung moment na yon. Kasi andoon na hindi lahat ng tao na sa paligid mo kailangan mo mag-extend ng help. Learn how to make sure na andoon na pinipili mo saan mo ina-extend yung sarili mo. Hindi lahat na nakapaligid sa'yo should receive the energy that you are giving. Kumbaga sa pagtatanim, pumili ka ng lupang mataba at doon ka magtanim ng maayos, hindi kung saan-saan mo siya binibigay or binabato. Next we have here is Cancer. We have here the card of the wild. Literal, kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung sarili mo din. You have been too safe. Andoon na masyado mo kinakalculate lahat ng ginagawa mo. The card of the wild is advising you na andito yung point na kailangan mo din mag-take ng leap of faith. Andoon na trust the process. Pag sinabi ng universe na umalis ka kung nasan ka, without question, sumunod ka. Because the universe is preparing something big para sa'yo. Ang hinihintay lang kasi, magdesisyon ka na umalis or gumalaw or sumunod sa instructions na binibigay sa'yo. Next, we have Leo. We have here the card Summer. You know what, Leo? Actually, moment mo ang summer because you have the sun on your side. You know what? Ito na yung moment Literal, kailangan mo ding ipakita ano yung mga kaya mong gawin. Literal na dapat mo nang gawin yung mga bagay na matagal mo na pinipending. It's actually time na medyo mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Self-improvement, self-care, self-love, as in self talaga. Hindi masama maging selfish from time to time. Kung yung pagiging selfish mo naman is andun yung point that you are improving yourself in every aspect of your life. Virgo, ang kasunod, we have here the card of silence. Ito na yung moment na huwag mong ipapaalam lahat ng mga plano mo sa lahat ng mga tao. Kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi marunong maging masaya para sa improvement ng ibang tao. Hindi nila kayang pumalakpak sa mga tagumpay ng iba. And ang masama pa neto, sila pa yung mga tipo ng tao sa paligid mo na ang alam lang nila is mang-down. Crab mentality kumbaga. So, pipiliin mo kanino ka mag-share, kanino ka magkukwento because not everyone around you knows how to be matured and be happy for you. Libra, this is your card. Family. Literal. It's time that you invest yung time mo, yung effort mo, and energies mo, and even your resources with your family. Pero tandaan na, pag sinabing family, hindi naman ibig sabihin kadugo agad. There is what we call yung family that we have chosen. Those are our friends. Yung mga tao na hindi natin kadugo, pero kung itrato tayo, higit pa sa isang pamilya. It's time that you create new memories with them. It's time na mag-invest ka ng time, ng moments with them, ng oras sa kanila. Kasi ito yung magiging pagkukunan mo in the near future ng energy, ng inspiration, to help you push forward to the future. Scorpio, we have here the card of flight. Literal, ano pang ginagawa mo? It's time for you to fly. It's time to you to expand. It's time naman na to take wings. Andoon na masyado ka na naging maraming plans. Andoon na tapos ka na doon sa process mo ng pag-evolve mo to someone stronger kumpara yesterday. It's time that you take hold. Ang kinin mo na yung para sa'yo. Hindi masama yon. Kasi yung kukunin mo naman is literally para sa'yo. Kumbaga sa lupa, may nag-squatter, kukunin mo lang naman. And it is rightfully yours. So, the blessings and the opportunities na nakapresent, it's yours. Ang kailangan mo lang to i-claim mo na. And for you to claim it, you need to get out of your comfort zone and rise above. So, next natin si Sagittarius. Affection. So, this is also a direct message sa'yo. Affection is the same as well, or almost the same as love, of care. It's almost as the same as emotion. So, this is a time that you need to also learn how to express kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Huwag nating hintayin na mawalan tayo ng chance to tell people and to show people kung gaano sila ka-importante. Kung ano yung worth nila, yung value nila sa atin. And at the same time then, this card is advising you, huwag ka matakot na tumanggap ng pagmamahal mula sa ibang tao. Oo, may mga in the past, there were people who have hurt you because when you open up to them, pero tanda mo, those are in the past. This is a different situation. This is your present and a future that is bright, full of love and full of affection. Capricorn, we have here relaxation. Medyo wag ka maging overbearing. Wag mo naman masyadong pahirapan yung sarili mo na masyado mong pinipressure na kailangan ganito yung mangyari. Ito yung minamanifest mo dapat mangyari siya. Take it slowly. You need to also relax. You need to also give time sa sarili mo na magpahinga, also to reconnect with the people na importante sa'yo. Also, wala rin masama na during your relaxation or during your moment of pagtanggal ng stress is you also absorb good things, knowledge and wisdom from the universe at sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo. Next natin si Aquarius. Faith. Literal. When I was in elementary, ang description ko sa faith, it sees the invisible and it will receive the impossible. When was the last time, Aquarius, hindi mo pinakinggan kung ano yung logic mo, pero andoon na mas pinakinggan mo yung guidance ng universe para sa'yo? When was the last time nag-take ka ng leap of faith? Kailan ba nakinig ka ng hula doon sa mga naramdaman mo, sa intuition mo, sa kutob mo? This is a time na bigyan mo ng avenue na eto naman yung papakinggan mo. Because iko-compare natin yung knowledge natin versus doon sa alam ng universe, sobrang layo. And once the universe is the one who opens up and gives you the guidance, I am sure 100% perfect lagi yon. Last but not the least, Pisces. We have here color. Literal naman din tong card na to. Bigyan mo ng kulay naman yung buhay mo. Huwag ka masyado magpakalugmok doon sa emotions mo na negative. There's always the other side. Sabi nga ng isang song, 'di ba? There's always a rainbow after the rain. Anticipate the colors of the rainbow. Give life to yourself by embracing the different colors of life. Yes, hindi lahat ng bagay is mag-agree tayo. However, the point of compromise will allow you to create a beautiful tapestry, a beautiful painting of life, and allowing the colors of the rainbow to enter your life will be one of the best decisions na magagawa mo. So I hope nakatulong yung readings sa'yo, and keep in mind, those readings are for guidance purposes. So if you may, kung pwede po, you can share this video to your friends and your families. So maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you soon enough. Take care, and God bless.